How is it these things are discussed so grossly? Actually, he's saying beautiful hips, he's saying the beautiful waist, the breast. But why are they talking it so grossly? Yes. Nowadays in the modern education system, they also want to introduce sex education, but it's all rubbish. Their sex education means basically how to have sex without becoming pregnant, without getting AIDS or other diseases. That is their sex education. That's all. Prabhupada used to joke, we don't need sex education, how to do sex. Even animals know. They don't need any. Animals, do we go, have universities? Please come learn how to have sex, we will teach you. Even dogs know on the street. Everybody knows how to do it. The education needed how to stop it. At least to regulate it and if possible stop it. Correct. Sometimes some people may not be able to immediately stop it, so okay. Grihastha ashram is given, that is for short time. So Grihastha ashram is not for all the time. Then Vanaprastha sannyas is coming to stop it. It's not immediately okay over a period of time. It has to be stopped. That is called sex education. And when these things are discussed, they are discussed in that light. You see. And a person, when he hears all this, can understand the tricks of the illusory energy of the Lord. He can understand. And he is already mentally prepared. This is how it is. Now suppose same thing is happening and we are hearing the truth. In the material world what happens today, nobody talks about all these things. Never in any family they talk about how we get enchanted, but nobody talks about it. But 24 hours think about it. Privately. Hypocrites. In a Vedic culture, they are straightforward people. They are not hypocrites. They talk about the subject. See, Bhagavatam is talking about it. It's fact. They are talking about this. So what happens? Yes, it is discussed. So that person understands the reality. Is, this is something very confidential. It is only private to me. Maybe nobody else. There's a very, people think there's something glorious, something very enchanting. Everybody goes through this. So there's nothing so special about, otherwise person feels, I found a confidential way to become happy. Nobody knows about it. So, but everybody knows about it. Sometimes, people, if these are not discussed, they think it is very something, because Kali Yuga souls particularly they think they are special. So they got a special way to become happy. How I am the special person, get enchanted when I see features of a girl, and I get special enjoyment in that. What is a special? Publicly discussed. Everybody can see it. So in that way we can see, publicly this is available. This is information. Therefore, person can absolutely can understand. The same trick. The same way Agnidhara got enchanted, now Agnidhara became an ass, now I am becoming an ass. Immediately, person is alert.